Today I'm checking out a WordPress plugin that allows you to make beautiful hotel websites. So you simply install it, it's got themes, it's got everything you need for yourself or maybe even your clients. I'd like to thank the team at ThemeOnce for getting in touch and providing me with access to the Easy Hotel plugin. I'll leave an affiliate link below. They currently do have a lifetime deal that gets you access not only to the plugin, but also some starter themes and extra add-ons. So the first thing I've done is head to plugins and I've added the Easy Hotel plugin. You can see we've got a new version available, so I'm going to update that. And to manage the bookings, I'm going to be installing WooCommerce. You can see it already has told me I need to do that. So I'll wait till this is finished updating, then we'll get this installed. With Easy Hotel and WooCommerce installed, you could actually go ahead and create a website straight away and use the capabilities it has. But I'm actually going to go ahead and install one of the themes. So we actually have themes and add-ons. I've got an affiliate link down below that will take you to their page, and they currently at the time of recording have a lifetime deal on that will get you not only the plugin and all the add-ons but access to all the themes. You can see it's Pro, so it's worth getting the Pro. They currently have 4 different styles and you can go and view live demos of each of them, and then there's various plugins that you might want to install as well to help with extra bits like gaining reviews and having extra currencies, all that kind of good stuff. So for this demo, I've used the Luxera theme. It looked pretty cool on the live site when I had a look. So let's activate that now. So straight away, it's recommending I install these different plugins. So let's go and do that. So this particular theme uses Elementor. So if you're used to Elementor, you'll be right at home being able to customize this and create your own pages. If you haven't used Elementor before, it's pretty easy to get started with, and they've done a lot of the work for you. So all you really need to do is go in and make a few edits. They've actually done the layout for the rooms and they've got the homepage and all that kind of good stuff. But before you access that, we're going to need to import the demo, and that's what this one-click demo import does. Once those plugins have been installed and activated, if you head to Appearance and Import Demo Data, you'll see you've got 3 different options for you. You can have it as a slider at the top, just a banner, or you can have a video. Now, one-click demo import will recommend some plugins. You can just ignore those. It's now going to import that content, and effectively you'll have set up the website. It'll have all the data there, it'll have the pictures there, and then all you need to do is go through and add your or your client's information. So with the demo data imported, this is what your site can look like, and now you can just go through and make the updates. So if you think about when you book a reservation somewhere, it has a kind of standard look where it will explain how much space, how many guests, beds, the room amenities, and it will then allow you to book it based on the cost and the date and all that kind of stuff. So this is the Studio Sanctuary room, and if we now go to the back end, we can see that's there. So this is where the accommodations managed, and the plugin is just at the side here. We can now add new accommodation. It will initially load as just a standard blocks editor, but you'll be able to edit this with Elementor. But before you do, you can see down the bottom here, you can edit things like the pricing and the info and the services on offer. Just call this Draper Room, and it's going to be expensive, this one. Let's call it $9.99. You can also set a sale price, and you've got extra information, so we'll just save the draft. So when you click Elementor, it's going to load up this page, and you can see it's actually done also the work for you. You don't have to worry about the reservation box. You don't have to worry about the general stats and the availability calendar. That's already there. We've got the more rooms down the bottom. It's all in place, ready for you to use. You simply build up that main section that we saw before. So we just head back. It's this bit here that you want to add in, and all the room features. And it's just information about the room and what you want to put in, and then it's done. So you don't have to build this out from scratch. So if we just return back to the plugin, let me just show you some more features of it. You've got the different categories. You can add different services. So you can have different seasonal pricing as well. So in this example that is given here, the summer offer is $300, special offer is $150, and at winter it goes down to $250. You've got the ability to add coupons. So if you're running special offers or you're running maybe something in a magazine or online or whatever, you can have a coupon code that people can use to get a discount. Now, by default, the bookings page will show you bookings, but you can't add manual bookings. For that, we'll need to install an extra plugin, and that's part of the Pro package that you will get if you get the lifetime deal that includes everything. So at the moment, new booking is blanked out, and I'm going to go and install that extra plugin. So now I've installed that plugin, we can see we can add new bookings. This allows you to manually process it. That could be useful if maybe you're taking phone reservations instead of doing it all online. So this is the add new booking page. And what I do like about this is as long as you bought the Pro package, you've got access to everything. And if you think, oh, I'd like to do payment requests, I'll need this plugin, you just go get it and install it. If you don't want to do payment requests, that's not a problem. You just leave the plugin off and it keeps the site a little bit smaller. You can add manual payments if you want to. It has a built-in booking calendar so you can see the booking, whether it's confirmed, pending, blocked. You've got the dates, really nice setup. And then you've got a load of settings to help make your life easier. Most of these are already turned on. So auto approved booking is on. We want the availability calendar. Do you want the day rise price? So you can turn any of these off if you're not interested. You have options around which pages to show. Most of this stuff you're actually not going to need because this is just setting up. But if you want to change some of this, you can do. You've got options for your booking, so the booking platform, currency, that kind of stuff. You can also select the design. So what kind of colors do you want to use? Make sure it's in line with your brand. There are shortcodes. So if you are building a website and not using one of the themes, you can go ahead, grab these shortcodes and drop them in on pages to pull in different tables, check-in, check-out times, that kind of stuff. And it's got a basic translation area where you can rename certain elements. So instead of reserve, you can change that to whatever you want. Instead of check availability, again, change that to what you want. And if you need help and support, I found this plugin to have excellent documentation, and the team that reached out to me have also been very good in answering my questions. As I said at the start of this, it's worth getting the Pro because you get all these extra themes and plugins. And right now they do have a lifetime offer on, and I will put an affiliate link down below. What do you think to this then? As far as plugins go, it seems pretty comprehensive. If you want to make yourself a hotel website or you're offering hotel websites to clients, this looks like it's going to be a good step in the right direction.